Jack straight up that other line. Up the neck, here we go. 7 seconds. Well, good time here. Both of them got a good flow going. Onto that first shoulder, dropping onto the long blow. 17, 18 seconds. This will be a good time. Making it look easy. Jack hit the last side first. Couple blows in it. Coming over that last shoulder. Coming down the money side now. 38, 39 seconds, 40. Oh boys, look at the board. Plenty of blow in it here. Bang, 45 seconds. Well done, Jack. Oh, they look well, Sean, too. Still going to pass the judges here. Judges at the back are looking really nasty cuts or wool left on, full tassels. They don't like them. Even though it's a speed shear, they're still going to be shorn to a decent shed quality. If the farmer don't like it, you can come and say something about it.